from everybody that I spoke to in the from the application team to the server team to the security team, they were always like Joseph Garfield. Joseph Garfield can get it done. He knows what he's doing. He has his dedicated project dashboard that can report on metrics and let us know exactly where we are in a project. And it's very detailed, and he provides some of the most detailed metrics that they have ever seen on a project. And it was essentially amazing to be able to dive down, see exactly where you are in a project and see what exactly is failing, to be able to improve on that and pull the project back on track. Because there were multiple times where we had been in the situations, and then on some of these projects, it was amazing to see things get pulled back on track with dashboards and technical prowess and expertise. The largest project by far was the entire EMR replacement for the hospital system. And I mean, I have I have never I've never heard as much praise for an organization as Phase 3 as I have during that whole implementation, as key and integral part of that entire project's success. And I can promise you, if you give Phase 3 and Joseph Garfield a chance, you won't be disappointed.